Oh, this is the third part of my experiment when I run the same prompt in Lovable, Bolt, and V0 to see how far we can go just on free credits. So first, let's see in the pricing what we get on the free tier. We have 7 messages a day, so we have to be really careful with our prompts to make sure that they are as well thought through as possible to reduce the number of messages. And all in all, in a month, $5 worth of credits. So I'm not sure how many messages that will be. Depends on the complexity of each message. Let's see. Get started. Sign up. Okay. It's very similar to all the other tools where you just add your prompt in here in the chat. This one is the same prompt that I actually got from Bolt. It builds a game, a Neon Brick Breaker arcade game. It has just some basic instructions. We are going to use our hand to control the ball instead of a mouse or the keyboard. So that makes it more advanced programming. Just explain the basic rules of the game, what happens when the ball touches the wall and the bricks, and for the style, we just specify cyberpunk, dark background, neon green paddle, neon pink ball. Let's see what happens. Oh, actually, before we do that, so here you can select the different models. The mini, of course, is the cheapest one. And then there's the Pro. It tells you how much the tokens are. And Opus is the fastest, but most expensive as well. I'll just leave it on max because this is our first prompt. So we really wanted to get it right first time since we have only 7 messages a day. We could enhance the prompt like we do with Bolt. But now I just leave it like this to make sure that this competition is fair on the 3 different vibe coding tools. It's already working. You can see what files are being edited and created. Here is the code view. Can't see anything yet. It's a shame that I can't see the code being written, because in both Lovable and Bolt, you can see what's happening in all the files that have been created, because it indicates it on the lab that it already made some files and changes, and yeah, they're listed here, but I can't see them in the code, or I can't click on them to look at the files. It's ready. No issues found. Worked for almost 3 minutes. Ooh, okay, so there's an error. Okay, I have no idea what this means, but I can fix it for free. Let's do that before I try it out. Can see some issues with the user interface because I can see that there's some text on top of other text. Okay, so that's weird. Actually, the error was caused by my Grammarly. That's new. Okay, let's try it. Enable the camera. Hello. Can see me. There's an error, but I can fix it for free. It looks like when I lift my hand, that's when the error occurs. Let's see if it's fixed. There's loads of messages here. All right, let's try again. Hello. Oh, it is. And it broke, but it is working. There's an intermittent error. I can't see myself in the little window, but it is working. And I can see the score in the background. It's a bit faint. It's difficult to see, but it says 30, now it's 40. Wow. So with just one prompt and 2 free fixes, this game is actually playable. Okay, I'm going to let it drop. It's a bit slow. Show hand to restart. Oh, so if I lift my hand, it restarts it. There's an error. What's this error? Anyway, it's best if we fix it. Right, while it's working, let's see what else we can do in V0. Settings. Well, there's not much. I can deploy with Vercel, which is great. GitHub, can connect to GitHub repository, which is good. Domain, analytics. Okay, but that's it really. And I can look at the code now. Yes, I can. Okay, let's try it again. All right, looks like it's working fine. Game over. And I'm happy to publish this. And it's quite impressive that with just one prompt and a few free error fixes, we have a working game. It's ready, and there's the link that Vercel created. Great, visit site. And now we're checking if it's working in real life. Yeah, it is. Looking the same as in the app builder. Looking the same as in the preview inside V0. I'll let it drop now. Game over. So that was V0.